Hi guys, hope you're doing great. So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can add a custom announcement bar section for your store or for your client store. And also I'm going to quickly cover the functionalities of this section and what can it do and what are basically the limitations of this section. So yeah, our first thing is the section settings here. So here's the color settings for the background for the text color. Font stylings here, slider settings. So you can adjust the speed of the slider of the blocks and a countdown timer, which I will quickly go through, and the spacing settings. So simple spacing settings for the section. So for the countdown timer, you'll just need to click this learn more link and you'll be redirected to this website. So the way this works is you'll just need to put here the deadline for the timer. In my case, I put the deadline until tomorrow, and you'll just need to click convert. And after you click convert, you'll have this unique timestamp. So you just need to copy that and paste that in here, and automatically you will have your own timer running in your announcement bar. And for the blocks, for the section, so here you can add as much blocks as you want, so as much announcement as you want. And for the specific blocks, you can add the description and add the links to that specific announcement. So yeah, that pretty much covers the whole functionality of this announcement bar and on how you can add it to your theme or to your store. Simply you'll go to the edit code part of your theme and click add a new section and just paste the code that I will provide in the description. So yeah, that's how you can add the section. And also I added a buy me a coffee link also in the description in case you want access to all of the new sections that I'm creating every month. So I post like I think twice a month on YouTube for the sections that I create, but every week I create sections for my clients. So if you ever want access to that specific sections, um, you can support me by subscribing here on Buy Me a Coffee. And yeah, that's all I have. And thanks, guys.